Hello everyone, welcome to the guide for transferring inventory from one store, from one warehouse to another in your Xoro system. So let's say you want to transfer some inventory, some SKUs from one warehouse to another. So physically from one warehouse to another, not a virtual transfer. In that case, you'd use the transfer sales order and transfer purchase order modules. Basically, what you do is write up a transfer sales order or a transfer purchase order and process them as regular sales orders and purchase orders. So first, you'd actually uh, ship the transfer sales order out of the from store, and then at the to store, you'd actually receive the transfer purchase order. So let's go ahead. Let's go through a typical scenario here. Let's say your from store is main, so I'm transferring inventory from my main warehouse to my Anaheim warehouse. I'm going to add some SKUs that I want to transfer. There we go. So now that these SKUs are added, I'm going to save my transfer sales order. And we'll be covering the rest of the tutorial in the other videos.